Have you ever wondered why hair fall happens? Is it stress, hormones, or perhaps an unhappy scalp? We all know the sinking feeling of finding strands of hair on the pillow, in the shower, on the brush. Hair fall is a common concern, and it can be caused by a variety of factors. It could be stress, wreaking havoc on your hair follicles, or perhaps it's hormonal fluctuations causing your hair's growth cycle to go awry. And then there's the unhappy scalp, inflamed or infected, leading to hair loss. But did you know that the health of your hair also depends heavily on two key elements? Yes, we're talking about sulfur and keratin. If these names sound like they've been pulled straight from a science textbook, don't worry. We're here to break it down for you. Sulfur is a mineral that is vital for the health of your hair. It's a key player in the formation of proteins in your body, including keratin. And if you're wondering what keratin is, it's the major structural protein in hair, nails, and the outer layer of skin. Keratin is the backbone of each hair strand, giving it its structure and strength. How does sulfur come into play? Well, sulfur helps form bonds between protein strands in the hair, contributing to its strength and resilience. These bonds are crucial for maintaining the shape and structure of the hair shaft. So, sulfur is like the superhero of hair growth. It boosts the production of keratin, giving your locks the strength they need to shine. And keratin, on the other hand, is like the building blocks of your hair, providing the foundation for strong, healthy strands. But sulfur doesn't stop at just building these bonds. It also boosts the production of keratin. Imagine a construction site that never runs out of bricks. That's what sulfur does. It ensures there is always enough keratin for your hair to stay strong and healthy. And why is this important? Well, when your hair is strong and healthy, it's less likely to fall out. Weak, brittle hair is more prone to breakage and hair fall. So, by strengthening your hair, sulfur is essentially helping to reduce hair fall. Let's put it this way. Sulfur is like the superhero of hair growth. It's constantly working behind the scenes, building and strengthening your hair, ensuring it's always at its best. It's the silent protector, the unseen guardian, the knight in shining armor for your hair. Now, wondering where to get this sulfur naturally? The answer might surprise you. Onions. Yes, onions. These humble kitchen staples are packed with sulfur, a superhero for hair growth. But how do onions help, you may ask? Let's delve into the science of it. Research, including studies conducted by top-tier universities, has revealed that onions can stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. This isn't simply about the physical strands on your head, it's about reclaiming the strands of confidence that fall with every hair. Onions, with their rich sulfur content, can boost the production of keratin, the key protein that gives your hair its strength and structure. The sulfur in onions helps form disulfide bonds between protein strands in your hair, contributing to its strength and resilience. These bonds are crucial for maintaining the shape and structure of your hair shaft, making it less prone to breakage and hair fall. But the benefits of onions don't stop there. They are packed with other nutrients like biotin, known for its hair health benefits, and quercetin, an antioxidant that can protect your hair and scalp from damage. And the best part, you don't need to look far to find onions. They are readily available in most kitchens, making them an accessible and cost-effective solution for hair fall. So, how can you make the most out of onions for your hair? Here are 2 simple recipes you can try at home. But remember, everyone's hair is different, and what works for one may not work for another. So always do a patch test before trying any new treatment on your hair, and consult with a professional if you're unsure. Our first solution is onion juice. Yes, this simple juice can work miracles on your hair. It may sound unconventional, but bear with me. This humble kitchen staple is about to become your hair's best friend. The process is simple and can be done right at home. Start by selecting a fresh, juicy onion. Peel off the outer layer, cut it into chunks, and toss it into a blender. Blend until you have a smooth, pulpy mixture. Now the next step is to extract the juice. You can use a sieve or a cheesecloth for this, pressing down to get every drop. Remember, this is liquid gold for your hair. Once you have your onion juice ready, it's time to apply it. Using your fingers or a cotton ball, gently massage the juice into your scalp, making sure to cover all areas. The natural sulfur in the juice works to strengthen and nourish your hair from the roots, promoting healthier growth. It's like a mini spa treatment for your scalp, right in your own home. After applying the juice, allow it to sit on your scalp for 3 to 4 hours. This gives the nutrients time to penetrate your hair follicles and work their magic. Once the time is up, wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove the onion smell. You may want to rinse a couple of times to ensure all the juice is washed out. This is not a one-time fix though. For best results, repeat this process twice a week for a couple of weeks. Consistency is key here. The more you use it, the better the results. Over time, you'll start to notice less hair fall and maybe even some new growth. With regular use, onion juice can help reclaim not just your hair, but also your confidence. It's a simple, natural solution that packs a powerful punch. So why not give it a try? You have nothing to lose and potentially a lot of hair to gain. Our second solution is onion oil, another simple and effective remedy for hair fall. Now, this isn't your typical store-bought oil. No, this is a concoction you can whip up in your kitchen with a few simple ingredients: raw onions and coconut oil. To begin with, peel the onions and chop them into small pieces. You don't need to be precise here. Remember, we're not making a gourmet dish, we're making a hair elixir. Next, take a pan and pour in some coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is a fantastic carrier oil, and it's packed with nutrients that your hair absolutely adores. Once the oil warms up a bit, add the chopped onions. Now, this is the crucial part. You need to fry the onions until they turn almost black. That's when you know all that sulfur goodness has infused into the oil. Let the concoction cool down. You don't want to burn your scalp with hot oil, do you? Once it has cooled, filter the oil to remove the fried onion bits. Now you have your homemade onion oil ready to work its magic. Applying onion oil is as simple as it gets. Use your fingertips or a cotton ball to apply the oil to your scalp. Massage it gently, letting the oil seep into your scalp. The massage also stimulates blood circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth. Now, for the best results, leave the oil on overnight. Yes, you heard me right. Your hair needs time to soak up all the nutrients. Just cover your hair with the shower cap and let the onion oil do its thing. Wash your hair the next morning with a mild shampoo. Repeat this process for a couple of weeks. Remember, patience and consistency are key. You may not see immediate results, but rest assured your hair is getting stronger from the roots. With these simple remedies, you're on your way to healthier, stronger hair. Give these methods a try and share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.